Hello everybody, it's me Robin from RBN Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a website in 2023 with Astra new theme. So this is the updated video. If you wanna make a website, then watch this tutorial, and this is only for beginner. If you are already pro, then this video is not for you. This is only for beginner, because I am going to show you very basic things to advanced things, so that you can easily and deeply can understand how you can create a website with Astra theme and with Elementor. So this is a website we are going to copy, actually not exact copy, but we are going to take inspiration from this website. We are going to make this type of website with Astra theme today. So I am going to show you all the process how you can create a website like this. So you have to subscribe our channel so that we can get more inspiration to make useful tutorials in future, and in the next tutorials we will show another website how you can create very easily. So stay connected with RBN Solutions. To make a website, there need three things. First of all, you have to purchase a domain, and second things, you have to connect your domain with hosting. That's why you have to purchase hosting, and the third thing is you have to install WordPress and you have to build your website. So first of all, you have to purchase domain name. Suppose tutorial.rbnfsolutions, this is a domain name. You have to purchase a domain name following your business, because when someone will browse your domain name, then your website will be visible. So first of all, I am going to show you where from you can purchase domain and hosting. And yes, you will get 1 year free domain if you purchase from the link I given in the first comment or in the description box. This is the best hosting company for making any WordPress website, so must use this link to purchase the hosting and domain name. First of all, I am going to copy this link. I will give the link in the video description and in the first description. Now I have to browse this link, so I am going to browse, and here you can see here Hustling plan, baby plan and business plan. If you have only one website, then Hustling plan is the best, but if you have multiple websites and in the future you can create more website, then baby plan is the best, and the business plan, if you want to more facilities, then you can purchase, but Hustling and baby plan is okay. So with this link and with those plans, you will get 1 year free domain. So separately you don't need to purchase any domain. First of all, I am going to move with Hustling plan, because we don't need to make any website in future. So by now, and from here you can check register a new domain, and here a message free one, a domain registration on select annual plans. That means if you select 12 months for hosting, then you will get a free domain. So that is really awesome. You can put your domain name here and then choose a hosting plan. We have already chosen Hustling, and a billing cycle 36 months, that means 3 years, and we are purchasing for 1 year, so 12 months. And then you have to scroll down. You can uncheck those. You don't need to site backup and other things, because you can easily do this by free plugin. And here you have to put a coupon code if you want to get a huge discount. So RBN Web Solutions, this is the coupon code, and click on validate and you will get a huge discount. You can see here discount is $73. So you will get $73 discount just if you use this coupon code RBN Web Solutions. So I hope you will use this coupon code and enjoy the $73. And then you have to just check out, and before that you have to agree with their agreement. So after checkout you have to just make payment, and we have already domain, that's why we are not going to check out. And now what we have to do, after suppose I think you have made your payment, and then you have to go to the link again. So copy this link, and here we are paste, and here we have to paste, and then hover on sign in and then click on portal. When you will purchase the domain and hosting, you have to create an account, and then you have to put your email and password. So that email and password you have to put and sign in. So click on next, and our password is given, so going to login, and after logging we are going to cPanel, and after that we will install the WordPress. So first of all we have to log in. So we are already logged into our account, and then you can see here at the right side launch cPanel. So you have to click on it, and then you will see all of the options where from you can easily install WordPress. You can create a database or everything you want you can do. And then you can see here there have file manager also, all the cPanel options you will get. And then if you want to install WordPress, then you have to scroll down, and then you can see here under software WordPress managed by Software. So you have to click on it. This is the best way. You don't need to install WordPress manually. You can install the WordPress just in a few clicks. So you have to click on install, because we are going to install WordPress, and then here from you have to select your domain name. So our domain name is, which one we are going to use? Suppose we are going to use this domain, elementor.rbnsolutions.com, and then site name and site description we can put later. And here you have to put your admin username and password. You have to keep in mind the username and password, because when you will log in to your WordPress dashboard and when you will try to work on WordPress, then you need the username and password. So we are going to put the password is elementor123 and hash, and then admin email, put your email. So we are going to put our personal email rbnsolutions.com, and then just scroll down and click on install. I think it will take maximum 1 minute to install the WordPress, and then you will get a link where from you can log into your WordPress dashboard and you can make your website. So we can see here, maybe it's already done, just a few seconds it can take, and then we will get the link. So you have to wait here, and yes, our WordPress is successfully installed, and then you will get a link, your domain name /wp admin. That means if you have a website, suppose google.com, this is your domain name. So google.com /wp admin. When you will type this after the /wp admin, then you will get the login options on the WordPress dashboard. So this is our URL. We are going to click on it, and then we will see the login box. We are going to install now directly, but we are going to show you how you can do this manually. So our domain name and the word is elementor.rbnsolutions/wp-admin, and then we have to click actually. So first of all we are going to log out from the current dashboard, and then I will going to log in again. So this is the dashboard actually, but we are going to log out, and I am going to show you how you can log in every time, because you don't need to go to every time on the HostGator portal account and then launch cPanel, and that links, that is lengthy way actually, but you can easily do this. So I can see this is already logged in. So what you have to do, your domain name after the .com you have to put a slash and then wp-admin, then enter, and when you will click enter, then you will get the login box. So here you have to put your email address or username and the password. When we have installed the WordPress, then we given those credentials actually. So after that you have to click on just login, then you will log in to your WordPress dashboard, and from here our next step is creating website. And to create website we need to use Astra theme, because we are going to show you how you can create a WordPress website with Astra theme. So before installing the theme, we will go to plugins. So click on plugins and see which plugins are there right now. So here you will see a lot of plugins, we don't need them. First of all, deactivate those and then click on apply. Our all plugin has been deactivated. Now again click on beside the plugin, check this and then delete and click on apply. We are going to delete all the plugins because this will reduce your website performance. And then again go to pages. So click on pages and then again take this beside the title and then move to trash, and after that apply. We are going to delete all the pages also. So now this is the fresh dashboard and totally fresh actually. Now our aim is installing WordPress Astra theme. So hover on appearance and click on themes, and then to install a new themes you have to click on add new. So click on add new, and then you will see a lot of free WordPress themes, but we are going to work with Astra theme. That's why you need to search Astra from the search bar. So click on Astra and then you will see at the top our Astra theme is there. Now our next step is we have to install this Astra theme and activate. So for the network this is not visible actually. Now we can see here is visible, and if you click on details and preview, there have 5000 plus 5-star review actually, and there have a lot of installations actually. So we are going to install this. This is the best WordPress free theme. So after installing, click on activate, and we have activated the Astra theme, and then we have to install 2 plugins. So click on plugins, and after clicking on plugins, then click on add new, and from here search for Elementor, because we are going to create website with Elementor as well. So Elementor and Astra, this is the best combination. So you can see Elementor website builder, click on install now, and again the same thing, activate. And after activating, we are going to use another plugin, that's why you have to install. So click on add new, and then search for essential add-ons and hit the enter button to search. You can see here essential add-ons for Elementor. It's have 1 million plus active installation. We need to install and activate this plugin, that's why click on install now, and after that click on activate. So our 2 plugins and Astra theme is done, installing done, and now we have to do some configuration for the essential add-ons plugin. So basic is recommended, and we are going to move with the recommendation. That's why click on next, and all the settings are okay. Next, just next, and next, and next, and then no thanks. And yes, we are done. Congratulations message. So we are really done with the configuration, and now our thing is making the website. First of all, take a look what it's showing in the website currently. So this is our domain name elementor.rbnwebsolutions.com. So browsing the website, it's loading because of network, and then you can see this is a fresh website, nothing is there, just a blog post, hello world. So we are going to convert this website into this type of website actually. So this is the challenge we are going to take, and after installing the plugins and themes, then if you click hover on the appearance, then click on Astra options, you can click on it and you will get a lot of options, post header builder, footer builder, layout, and block layouts, etc. plugins, and also other options. And here you can see here important links, and from here you will get some knowledge about Astra, and here you can see install importer plugin. So click on it. From here you have to install and activate this plugin, and after that you will get a lot of starter plugin, I mean demo website, which is already built up. You have to just change the website, but don't worry, we are not going to use any demo site. We will create a website from scratch and from totally fresh, and we will convert this type of website, and in the way you will get idea how you can create a website in Astra theme and how you can convert your design following your expectations. So this is really awesome, and we are going to reload the page. This is not loading actually, so get back and then click on again on the dashboard, and after that if you scroll down and again hover on the appearance, then you will get a new option, starter templates. So click on it, starter templates, and you have to wait some moment. So after clicking on starter templates, you will get this type of interface, and then click on build your website now. And here we have to select a page builder. There have three options: block editor, Elementor, Brave builder. Elementor is the best, that's why I am going to move with Elementor. So click on Elementor, and after clicking you will see a lot of templates which is built with Elementor, but we are not going to use any of those template directly. We are going to just taking the a block any one of that, and then click on skip and continue, and then again click on continue, submit, and build my website. Then you will get a demo site. So if you want to move with demo site, then you can easily do this. There have a lot of demo options. So and then when it's done, you will get a complete website. So you can see here there have a message, so you are building your website. So it's done, maybe, yeah. And when it's done, then reload the website, you will see a complete website. But we are not using this website because we are going to create a website from fresh things. So you have to click on this icon, exit to dashboard. So click on it, and then you can see here there have already website, but we are not going to use this. And click on edit with Elementor. We are going to delete everything from this site. So click on Elementor. We are going to make this type of website. Okay, so this design is useless, just I showed you how you can move with a demo website also. So that is the best if you don't know about WordPress and if you are really too much beginner. But I am going to show you how you can make a website from 0 to 100%. So we are going to delete every sections we are going to delete. So this is a fresh new website right now. So first of all, you have to click on plus icon and take a column and row, and after that we have to follow this one. So there have a background image, so we need to download the background image. So select that, and our background image maybe we have to install the background image first. So here we have found the background image, so save image and then okay. And after that, if you want a background image on a column, and then you have to click on this 6 dot, so click on it and then you will get all of the options, and then click on style. From here you can see background, so click on classic, and we are going to use a background image, that's why click on choose image and then drag and drop the image, or you can upload image as well. So we are going to drag and drop, so that's why we don't need to use okay. We are going to select, so go to downloads, and then this image we are going to use as a background and insert it, and after that you can see it's uploading. When it's done, then click on insert media, and then it will be set as background image, but there have some options as well. So position, you can see here background position should be center. I am going to show those some moments later, then you will understand why I am changing those options. So our inspiration website, this one. Now first of all, there have a heading, so we are going to copy this heading, and then you have to click on these icons, 9 icons, and then you will get a lot of elements. So for heading we are going to use heading options, just drag and drop here. We are going to use a padding top in the top and bottom, so select these options and then click on advanced, and after that for the paddings you will get there have top, right, bottom and left options, and we are going to use padding on the top and at the bottom. So at the top 70 pixel is okay, and at the bottom I think 50 pixel is okay. So we are going to delete, and again we are going to use a option that is heading, and then you can see here add your heading text. So we are going to put heading, but before that we are going to make these sections, and that's why you have to take a knowledge about the sections. Currently there have one column for all the sections, so that's why we have taken one column and then paste here the heading. So you can see here the heading is there, and then you have to change the color. The color is white, text color is white, that's why our heading text color should be white. For that you have to click on this edit icon, and then for the stylize you have to click on style, but before that you can see here the alignment in the center, that's why you have to click on alignment center, and then our text is in the center, and then for styling click on style button, and text color, you can see here text color is white, and then you can see typography option. If you want to change the text size, text weight and other options, then you have to click on typography. So click on edit button, and then font family default is okay. If you want to change, suppose Tahoma, you can use, and font weight, you can see the font is little bit bolder, so that's why you have to select the font weight. So 700 bold is okay, I think. So this is the text, this is the bolder text, and then if you want to change the size, you can easily change that size from size options. So size, I think 34 pixel is okay, or we can reduce little bit, 30 pixel is okay. And then we have another options, another text. There have a text, but you can see here this is little bit wider, but this text are not wider. So that's why what you have to do, you have to insert another section, inner section. So click on this icon to get all the options. So there you can see inner section. So drag and drop. After that there have two column actually, but we have one column, so we don't need to work on two columns. We have to work on one column, but this is not wider. For that, what you can do, you can copy, duplicate the column again. So there have three column. Now there have three column. We are going to put our contents in the middle column. So that's why we have to reduce the left and right column width. So here scroll, and then you have to reduce the size. So 25% left one is okay, and again the right one you need to make 25%. So 25%, 26, and yeah, 25% the right one and the left one. Now we will work on the middle section. So copy this text, and then again we have to click on this icon to get options, and then text editor. So if you want to put any paragraph or big text, a long text, then you have to select the text editor and drag and drop here, and we are already copied the text, and now we have to paste here. So paste the text which one you want to keep, and then you can see here this is not showing exactly perfectly. So delete this and change the visual options to text, and now paste again. Then you will see our text will show very perfectly. So this is our text, and then you have to stylize. Again the text color is white, so click on style, and text color is white, and alignment is center, so click on center. And now typography. So typography is little bit we have to increase the size. So maybe 18 pixel is okay, 19 pixel is okay, and then font weight is normal is okay, and then font family Tahoma, okay. So now go back to the text editor. So click on here, and then click on content. Now you can see there have a big text at the middle of the line. So what you can do for this? So pregnancy pillow. So for this you can see here there have text with, where is the text? Pregnancy pillow. To design, you have to click on text, and then scroll, click here before the pregnancy pillow. So you have to click before the pregnancy, and then you have to use a HTML tag, span tag. We are going to use span, and after the pillow we have to push the span tag, and now stylus. For the stylus with CSS in the HTML tag, so click on style, type style, then we are going to put the value. Font size is 30 pixel, okay, 30 pixel, and font weight bold. So I think this is okay, or we can keep 34 or 30 is okay. And the text size we are going to increase little bit more, and now okay. And after that there have a button, shop now button. So click on this icons so that you can get all the options, and from here you can search widget also. So button, you can see here is the button, so drag and drop here. And then style and background type, so color, background type, click on classic, and color is this one. We are going to select this color, so color is this one, and after that the text color is black, that is okay. And typography, you can change the size of the text, so click here, maybe 28 pixel is okay. Font weight bold, and all is okay. Now go back to content, and from here you can use a text. Our text is shop now, so shop now, and then you can use a link. Suppose we are going to use a link for our website, so you can put any link here. If you have on the shop now options or shop functionality on your website, then you can link up here your shop page link, or we are going to use for contact us. So I think this is okay, and here you can put any kind of link, and alignment is center, so this is on the center. But now the thing is, the background image is perfect here, but there we can not see any background image like this. For that, what we have to do, so again you have to click on this 6 icon, because we are going to stylize the whole section. So click on it and style. After that, background options, you can see here position is center, attachment is default is okay, repeat obviously no repeat, and size is obviously cover. Then you can see this is showing perfectly, and now you can still use some gap or update first of all, and then browse our website, and we have to see what's the result currently. So browsing our website, and this is Thomas Nehru. We have to make something longer, so again you have to click on advanced, and then at the top 120 pixel is okay, 120, and at the bottom 90 pixel, okay. And then update and reload our website, and now we can see this is maybe little bit okay, and there you can see here there have a ratings. This is actually an image, so open image in the new tab and save the image, so save it. And after that, if you want to put an image, again you have to click on this icon so that you can get the all options, and here you can see image options. So is drag and drop here and click on choose image and upload the image. So select files, this is our image, so open, and now insert media, and yeah, here is our image. You can change the size, suppose medium, you can easily use that, or large is okay. Update and reload, you will see this is something like that, and we can increase little bit the text size. So again click on edit button and then click on typography and 34 pixel, okay, update and reload, and yeah, now it's okay. And for this text you can also use something more, you can also increase something more. So you can see here better sleep at the bottom. So again click on edit icon, style, typography, 24 pixel, okay, and then reload the website, and 22 pixel is okay, I think 22 pixel, update and reload. Yeah, 22 pixel is okay. Now you can see this is little bit same, and after that how we can create the next section. Our next section is this section. We need to create this. So there have 4 images and there have a background color. So go to the Elementor, and then there you can see there have 4 column. Actually there have 4 images, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column and 4 column. So click on this plus icon and select this 4 column, 1 2 3 4, and firstly we are going to use those images. So saving those images so that we can use. Next one, this one we are going to download, and then third one going to download, and the last one we are going to download. Yes, already all the images done, and then we have to take image options. So click on here to get options, then image, and then choose image, and you can drag and drop. So this is the first image, and insert media, and then here click plus icon and then image, choose image. This is the second image, and you add the third image. So you are going to use third image, insert media, and the last one we are going to add. So fourth image done. So our all image has been added, and now you can see here there have a background color. So copying the background color, and to set the background color in the whole row, you have to click on this icon and then click on style, and then background type classic, and obviously color. So paste here your color code, and then you can see the color is done and our section is done. Now we can see a preview of our section. So click on color is done, and now update, and then click on preview changes. Sorry, we need to reload the site again. So you can see their section is done, and third section there have image. You can use icon also, and a title and some subtitle or description, short description. So these sections we are going to create, and here you can see there have 3 columns. So we need to take 3 columns. Go back to Elementor and then click on plus icon and select 3 column, and then we are going to take content. So first of all there have image, so click on image, download the image, and then the second image, and then we need to download the third image. So first and third one is okay, so we are not going to downloading that image again. Now we need to use the image, so drag and drop the image and choose the image. So this one is the first image, so insert media, and it's done. And we need to create a whole column firstly, then we can copy all the columns, and then we can just change the text. So this will be easier, and so we are going to use heading. So drag and drop under the image, and the heading is this one. So copy the heading and then paste here, and after that we need to stylize. Actually the alignment is center, and click on style. The color is black, so text color will be black, and then typography, click on edit button, and then size is 18 pixel is okay, and font weight obviously bold, and after that all is okay I think. And then there have some short text, so copy the text, and then you can use text editor, drag and drop, and after that cut, and then click on text and paste here, and then you will see the text. Actually it's taking some moments, or before so you can see here our text is there, and the text alignment is center, and text color is totally black, and typography font size maybe 18 pixel also. So it's done, our first column is done, and then now we can just duplicate our all the columns. So we can duplicate the column. Here you have to just click on right button of from your mouse, and then you will see duplicate option. So click on duplicate, and again duplicate these sections, and delete these 2 sections. Now you can easily change the image, the title and the description the same way you can easily change. So I am not going to show you again, but there have a background color, different background color. That's why we are going to take this background color code, and then to set up background you have to click on this 6 icon, and then the same way click on style and background type classic, click on color and paste your background color code. And we can see here there have some gap at the top and at the bottom, so we need to give a padding. That's why click on advanced and uncheck this. If you don't uncheck this, then suppose we are going to give a padding at the top 60 pixel, then from the top, right, bottom, left from everywhere there will be a padding for 60 pixel, but we just want at the top and at the bottom. For that, what we can do? So first of all, 0 for all, and then click on here, and now you can give the padding at the top and bottom. So at the top 60 pixel and at the bottom is 50 pixel, or at the top 50 pixel, at the bottom is 60 pixels. So it's done. And if you see the preview, so this is the preview. This is a little bit same, right? So our next section is done, and then this section. So there have two column, 1 and 2. We need to click on this plus icon again, and then select this two column, and after that click on plus icon, and then we have at the left there have an image. So drag the image and download this image. So save image, and then choose image, and this is our image we have downloaded right now, or you can upload as well. So select files, and this is the image, open, and when it's already uploaded, then insert media. And yeah, this is our image. You can set the full, and at the right side there have a title, there have some text. So this title and this title are similar, and text are also same. So that's why we don't need to stylize again. What we can do, we can duplicate this title. So right click from your mouse and click on duplicate, then just drag and then drop here, and here you can see the title. This one is the title. So copy the title and click on this icon and paste the title, but the title at the left. So just you have to change the alignment only. So click on left, and maybe this is a little bit bigger. So click on style, typography, the same process. So make it 20 pixel, and then there have some text, same text. So that's why again duplicate the option, the text, and then drag and drop here, and again copy those text and then paste here. Click on text and then paste here, and it takes some time to display here actually. At the meantime, we are going to click on style, and then alignment is left. Sorry, the text is not updated yet. So click on text and paste here again. So this is the text we have added, but one more thing, we have to take this heading and description a little bit down. So that's why what we can do, so click on here to get options and click search for spacer. So spacer, drag and drop these options and put it before the title, and size 40 pixel is okay. And now we can see here there have a button, shop now button. So we have to add a button. Click on this icon to get options, then button, button. So select this. Maybe we have a button already there. This is our button. Okay, we are going to use a same button, or okay, same button is okay. So duplicate this button and then drag and drop it here. The alignment will be left. So this is the button. I think this is okay. If you want to change the color and other things in the same way, you can do. And now after that, you can see here there have a similar option, similar section. So what we can do for this, we can just duplicate the section actually. So click on edit. Before that, you can see here the background color is different. So copy this background color and put the background color. I showed you many times how you can put background color, so I am not going to tell you again. So style, background type, color, and paste the code, and then that is okay. And now you can put a space at the top, at the bottom. So click on again on this icons and click on advanced, click on that, and at the top is 40 pixel, and at the bottom is 60 pixel. So I think it's okay, or 50 pixel. Now the same section, that's why we are going to duplicate this section and just swap this column. So at the first section, in the left there have image, and in the right content and button, and but for the next section, in the left there have text, and in the right the image. So we have to just swap the column. So drag and drop. So it's done, and there don't have actually any button. That's why we are going to delete this button, and you can easily replace the image actually. So I am not going to show you how you can replace the image. So now our next section is done, and oh sorry, this button will be there. So update and see our website, reload this again. Now we can see similar website. So this is our website we made right now. So this is our inspiration website. So this is mostly same, and then there have a slider. You can see here there have a slider. So we are going to make a slider. So select some images. We are not going to use all the images, just some images. So to image and download some more. So we are going to download more images. You can use a lot of images in the slider actually, but we are not going to use a lot of slides, a lot of slider images. I hope if I show you the functionality, you can easily make following your expectations and your requirements. So we are not going to use any more images in the slider. So go back to the editor, and then again click on plus icon, and see this is not 3 column actually. For the slider this is 1 column and 1 row. Okay, so we are going to use 1 column, and then click on plus icon. You will get the options, and from here search for slider. Here you can see image carousel. So this is the slider, drag and drop here. And now you can get options from here. First of all, you have to upload images. Click on plus icon, upload files, select files, and select all the sliding images. So all the images selected, open, and after that you have to wait for some moment to upload actually. So click on create a new gallery, and then click on insert gallery, then 7 images selected. So we are going to use 7 images, but the image size is maybe not okay, so we need to use some style again. So we can see here there have more bigger image in the slider, but those are very small actually. So image size you can change. So image size we think medium is okay, so select the medium. Yeah, medium is okay, and there have a gap at the top and at the bottom. So again the same options, advanced, check on that, select for 30 pixel at the top. I think 40 pixel is okay, and at the bottom 40 pixel, and the background color is not same, so select the background color and click on advanced, background type, color. This is our color code. So okay, this is done, and then update. So slider option is done, and then reload the website, and then you will see there have similar slider. So yeah, and after that we have again some options. This is the similar sections. So these two sections and those two sections are the same, so I am not going to make this two section again. So our the last section, this one, so we are going to create this section right now. For this go to the editor and click on plus icon. Now you can see here there have actually a title, and this is maybe an image. So there have an image. For that you can see there have a background, but I think this is an image, so we are going to see what is this. Yeah, this is a background image, so that's why we are going to download. So copy the link and go to the link, and yeah, our image is there, and just simply save. And there have one column, that's why we are going to take one column. So one column is okay, and then there have a title. This is our title, so click on plus icon and heading, and put your heading, style, the same thing. Actually this is a very easy way, because all the functionality, all the work are similar and same. So color is black, and typography, font family, Tahoma, and then size is maybe 22 pixel, and weight is bold. Default is okay. So yeah, and the text alignment is center. And now we need to use this image, so open image and download this one, save, and then click on these icons, and we are going to use image, that's why drag the image and to drop here, choose image and upload file and upload this image. So open, and when it's uploaded then simply insert media, and yeah, I think this is okay. Now you can see here at the top there have a space, and at the bottom there have a space, the same way. So click on this icon, advanced, click on this here, and at the top 50 pixel, I think okay, 60 pixel, and at the bottom is 80 pixel, 90 pixel is okay. And then we need to use this background, so we have downloaded the background image, so click on it, and then click on style, background type classic, and image at this time. So choose background image, upload files, and then this is our background image we need to upload. So select and open. When it's uploaded, then click on insert media, and but the background image is not same, but the background image is not same. So the same things you need to do. Position is center, attachment is default OK, repeat is no repeat, and then size is cover. Now you can see background is same. And if you want a parallax system, then attachment need to be fixed. So if you update and then reload the website and scroll down, and then you will see this is parallax, but at this background this is not showing perfectly. So I think default is okay. Update. So our last section is done. Oh no, there have other section actually. So there have a image and title, the same sections we have created here. So I think you will understand how to create this section. So we are going to compare the website. This is our inspirational website. This is maybe our main website. Yeah, this is our inspirational or main website, and actually I am puzzled. The work is so close, that's why I am not understanding which is created just by me and which was the example website. So this is the example of website we are going to compare. So this is the first section, and this is our first section, and the other sections are closely same. You can see closely same. So I hope you will be happy with this tutorial how you can create. There have more work I am going to show you. The tutorial is not finished. I am just going to compare the work. So this is really awesome. So and the next thing, how you can set logo, menu and other things, I am going to show you. So close everything, and then now for the menu or for the header or for the logo, what you have to do, click on appearance to Astra options, and then you will see header builder. Click on header builder, and then you will get options to create header, and from there you will be able to create header. And after header I am going to show you how you can get options for footer as well. So here you can see here site title and logo. So select on this. So if you want to change your logo, you can easily change the logo, but you can use the logo it as well, and we can download a logo, business png logo. So search on Google and then images, and which image we are going to, suppose this one we are going to use. So open in a new tab, we are going to download, open image, and then download, save image. So this logo we are going to use. Just click on change logo, upload file, select files, and then select the logo, and when it's uploaded just select and keep cropping. Now you will see the logo there, but this is too small. For that you have to increase the logo width. So I think this is okay, and publish. Right now you can see here there have a menu at the right side. If you want to put it the menu at the middle, then just you have to simply drag this into the middle, and the menu will be at the middle, and at the right side you can use this type of number, or if you want to use search bar you can do this as well, and then you have to just publish it. And the primary menu where from you can set up, so I am going to show you this one how you can do this. So you have to go to your WordPress dashboard and appearance to menus, you have to click on menus, and then you will get options to create menu, and you will get options to add your pages. So this is our primary menu. Our menu you can see here, they have home page, about page, services, contact page. Now we are going to drag this and putting under the home, and then save menu, and then reload the website, and you will see our menu is changed. If you want to use more pages, you have to create pages. So hover on pages and click on add new, and then put your page name. Suppose our page name is blog, so put here your page name blog, and then publish, and after that reload here, and then you will get option blog, and you have to click on add new menu, add to menu, and then it's under blog, and then save menu. And after that if you reload the website you will see there is blog. And yeah, you have to create the blog page and services page or other page. If you want to add any sections, the same way I have showed you how you can create a section very easily. So if you want to create any other page, you can easily do and create the other pages in the same way. And for the suppose blog page, or suppose this is a maybe services, so update this. If you want to create services page, what you have to do, again when you are published the page, and then click on edit with Elementor, because we are going to use Elementor, and click on edit your Elementor, and after that you will get the same way, same options. You can create this page by following the home page I have created. You can use a row, column, and other contents with the other options. You can really create a nice website. There have other menu options, suppose counter, those are pro. Suppose there have image accordion, info box, many things, actually many things you can easily do and use those all options. Suppose Google Maps, WP Forms, and there have a lot of options actually. So if you see all the other things, there have image box, actually other more options you will get, and you can create a very easy website. So there have a lot of options. I am not going to show you. There have a tab, nice tab. So with all the elements you can create a very nice website for totally free. So this was the tutorial.